Monday morning, the Cruz family are having their breakfast at their home.
Morning, madam. Can I have a coffee?
Morning, madam. Madam, can I have coke? Thank you, madam. Morning, madam. Can I have juice? Thank you. Morning, madam.
Mom, give me your bag. Give me your bag, please.
What's happening? What's happening?
Madam, turn it off.
Mama, I need to visit Anne.
Okay, madam. Go ahead.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, son. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How about you, ma'am?
I'm fine also here in Dubai. How is our business?
Doing great, ma'am.
That's good.
Madam, who's that?
It's ma'am.
I don't know, madam.
Okay.
Hi, dear. How are you?
Hi, mom. And Ruth, how about you?
I'm fine also. How about the kids?
Okay, say hi to your grandmother. Hi, grandma. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you, sweetie? How about Anne?
Anyway, mom, we have to go. Bye.
Bye. Take care.
After having their breakfast, the children are now preparing for going to school.
Look, that's our target.
After the class, Cruz children was going out of the school. While Anne's nanny has been busy fixing Anne's things, Anne has been kidnapped.
Yes, madam.
No.
Yes, madam. Why are you crying?
No.
What happened to Anne?
Anne has been kidnapped.
Oh my God, Anne! Anne was kidnapped. What are we gonna do? Call the police.
After the conversation between Anne's nanny and Mrs. Cruz, Mr. Cruz suddenly received a call from the kidnapper.
Hello? Sino to?
Nasaan yung anak mo?
Anong kailangan mo?
Kung gusto mo makitang buhay ang anak ko, kailangan ko ng pera.
Sige, magkano kailangan mo? Bibigay ko. Huwag mo lang sasaktan ng anak ko.
Kailangan ko ng 1,000,000. Ngayon din.
Sige, bibigay ko yun. Pero bago yun, kailangan ko marinig yung anak. Pero bago yun, pwede ko marinig yung boses ng anak ko.
I-text ko sa iyo yung location na magdadala ng pera. Huwag kang tatawag ng pulis. Oras na tumawag ka ng pulis, hindi mo na makikita ang iyong anak.
After talking to Mr. Cruz to the kidnappers, they told him that the kidnappers were holding their daughter Anne. Immediately, called Mrs. Cruz is his police friend.
Hello, pre. Kailangan ko ng tulong mo.
Problema?
Oh, pero hindi ka pumunta dito sa bahay. Okay, sabihin ko sa'yo kung ano nangyari. Dahil yung anak ko ay kinisnap.
Okay, papunta na kami dyan. Nandito ko kasama ko. Ano ba nangyari ko?
A day-
Ano nangyari?
A few hours later, the kidnappers sent a message of the location Mrs. Cruz needed to go to.
Right, this is the location.
Okay. Okay, we need to go to the location.